I wish I had a simple dimple. But I never will even get a simple dimple. Well, at least I have one puppet and a squishy soccer ball that I got for $1. And I got this puppet for free at the homeless store. One day I'll find a simple dimple. I only want a two bubble simple dimple at least. I love my simple dimple, but I always wanted a puppet, and I'll never get a puppet. Especially two-sided puppets. At least I want a mini puppet or a medium puppet. Oh my god, is that a simple dimple? Yes. Oh my god, can I offer? Sure. Okay, what do you want for it? A puppet? Guys, but I only have one puppet. Maybe I should scam her. Oh, but I have no puppets. Well, you can give me, what should you give me? You can give me a needle. You guys, I don't have a needle. Oh, I can pretend that the soccer ball is a needle. Yeah, here. This is a needle. It only squeezes from the other side. Yeah, here. Oh my god, really? That sounds so cool. Yeah. Okay, let me add it. Thanks. There. Get it. I said get it. Okay, guys, let's play with the needle. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, time to play with it. Ooh, this is squishy. That's the other hand. Ugh. It is a squishy. Oh my god, you guys, now I have a simple dimple and a puppet. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I did that. Oh my god. Ugh, I'm reporting her. Sorry guys for the interruption, but this is a sponsor to Google. You can search anything you want on Google, like youtube.com, facebook.com, twitter.com, instagram.com, all of those. And also, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Google for sponsoring this video. Bye! Thank you, Roblox Legends, for watching this video. And please give this video a very big fidgety thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on those post notifications to not miss out on a new video that I make. Bye!